June 21st Facts: know everything that happened on 21st June until now. Famous birthdays of 21st June. 1. Lana Del Rey. Lana Del Rey, born Elizabeth Woolridge Grant, is an American singer-songwriter. Her music is known for its cinematic quality and exploration of tragic romance, glamour, and melancholy, with frequent references to current pop culture and 1950s-1970s Americana. She was born on 21st of June 1985. 2. Prince William. The heir apparent to the British throne is William, Prince of Wales. He is King Charles III's and Diana, Princess of Wales's elder son. William was born in London and attended Wetherby School, Ludgrove School, and Eton College. He was born on 21st of June 1982. 3. Chris Patt. Christopher Michael Pratt is an actor from the United States. He became well known for his role as Andy Dwyer in the NBC sitcom Parks and Recreation. He also appeared in the WB drama series Everwood and in the films Wanted, Jennifer's Body, Moneyball, Zero Dark 30, and Her as a supporting actor. He was born on 21st of June 1979. Famous death that occurred on 21st June. 1. Oda Nobunaga. Oda Nobunaga was a Japanese daimyo and a key figure during the Sengoku period. He is considered the first great unifier of Japan. Nobunaga was the powerful Oda clan's leader when he launched a war against other daimyo to unify Japan in the 1560s. He died on 21st of June 1582. 2. Edward III of England. From January 1327 until his death in 1377, Edward III, also known as Edward of Windsor before his accession, ruled England. He is remembered for his military prowess and for restoring royal authority following his father's disastrous and unconventional reign. He died on 21st of June 1377. 3. John Smith. John Smith was a British soldier, explorer, colonial governor, New England admiral, and author. In the early 17th century, he was instrumental in the establishment of the colony at Jamestown, Virginia, the first permanent English settlement in North America. He died on 21st of June 1631. Global celebrations of 21st June. 1. International Day of Yoga. Since its inception in the United Nations General Assembly in 2014, the International Day of Yoga has been observed annually on June 21st around the world. Yoga is a physical, mental, and spiritual practice that dates back to ancient India. 2. World Humanist Day. World Humanist Day is an annual humanist holiday celebrated on the June solstice, which usually falls on June 21st. Humanists International describes the day as a way of raising awareness of humanism as a philosophical life stance and a means of effecting change in the world. 3. World Giraffe Day. The Giraffe Conservation Foundation, GCF, established the holiday to honor the world's tallest animal. The summer solstice in the northern hemisphere and the winter solstice in the southern hemisphere mark World Giraffe Day. Historical events of 21st June. 1. General Pervez Musharraf became Pakistan's military ruler in 2001. 2. In 1982, Princess Diana gave birth to William, the second in line to the English throne. 3. After a long battle, US troops took control of the Japanese island of Okinawa in 1945.